How to activate Bank of America debit card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate Bank of America debit card. For this, you first of all want to open up any web browser and head over to bankofamerica.com. Once you're here, tap on the login option in order to log into your account. Now, enter your user ID, then enter your password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the option of Activate a Debit Card. It is found under the Account Services option. Now, you will be prompted to enter the necessary information from your debit card. This includes your debit card number, expiration date, and the CVV number. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information accurately. Now, you want to double-check the information that you have entered before submitting. Once you have completed the activation process, you should receive confirmation that your Bank of America debit card has been successfully activated. If you encounter any issue during this activation process, you can contact the customer support of Bank of America. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.